Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha narrates that on one occasion during the time of Prophet's prophethood, a solar eclipse occurred. The Prophet, peace be upon him, arrived at the mosque and began performing the prayer. In each cycle, he would stand for an extended period, then bow, ruku, and prolong the bowing, followed by prostration sujood. Before going into prostration, he would raise his head from the prostration position and stand for an extended period again. This sequence was repeated 3 times for each cycle of prayer. In the second cycle, the initial standing was longer compared to the first, and the initial bowing was more prolonged than in the first cycle. The Prophet ﷺ completed the prayer while the solar eclipse was ongoing. After completing the prayer, the Prophet ﷺ stated, "The sun and the moon are 2 signs among the signs of Allah. They do not eclipse due to anyone's life and death. So whenever you observe them eclipse, hasten to pray." Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23377.